you can lock the exposure and focus on iPhone, and easy and simple. Here, I'll show you how to lock exposure and focus using AE or AF in the camera app. Let's dive right into the steps. Solution 1. Lock exposure and focus manually. Open the camera app. Tap and hold on the area of the screen where you want to set the focus and exposure. Here, tap and hold on subject for 3 to 5 seconds. After a few seconds, you'll see AE or AF lock appear at the top of the screen. Solution 4. Adjust exposure. Open the camera app. After setting the AE or AF lock, swipe up or down on the screen to adjust the exposure. The exposure adjustment will be locked along with the focus. Solution 3. Unlock AE or AF lock. Simply tap anywhere on the screen to unlock AE or AF. The focus and exposure will return to automatic adjustments. So that's how you can lock exposure and focus in the camera app on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.